Good morning, everyone. This week we are going to start topic 12 in our math lessons. Topic 12, measure lengths. We're going to be doing some measuring. We're going to be learning how to talk about and measure length. Okay, now I would like you to skip the first page of topic 12. I need you to go to page 490. And I would like you to review. I need you to show me what you remember what we have done in units 10 and 11, okay? All right, so you can do that after the video is over. And then we are gonna get started on the next lesson, okay? You only have to do one page out of that number 12, okay? Today we're gonna also be doing lesson 12.1. We're going to be comparing and we're going to be ordering by length. Now that doesn't mean I get to go to McDonald's and order my Big Mac or my French fries. That means I'm going to put things in the right order. And I think you're going to find this all a lot of review because these are some of the things we have already done in first grade. On the first page, let's read the dialogue box together. Can you put these objects in order from longest to shortest? How can you tell if one object is longer than the other object? All right, now we're going to have to be some artists today. I want you to draw a picture of the longest, or if you're a good speller, you could write the words. And the words would be paintbrush, marker, or pencil. Okay, longest, something in the middle, and then shortest. And remember the EST, we talked about that. Short, shorter, shortest. Long, longer, longest. Do you remember all that? Yeah, see, I'm seeing all those light bulbs going on. The I can statement today is, I can order objects by length. All right, now let's look at that first page. Okay, Isaiah, I'm going to choose you first. Which one do you think is the longest? Oh, I see everybody shaking their heads. You know what the answer is, don't you? And if everybody heard, Isaiah did say the correct answer. The pencil is the longest. All right, now we're going to zip down to the shortest. Which one is the shortest? Kaylin? Absolutely correct. The marker is the shortest. Now remember, it helps because they all started at the same spot. And what are we really looking for? Wes, what am I really looking for? I'm looking at the one that goes the farthest across my page. And we can see that the pencil goes really far. The marker doesn't go as far as the other two. And what would be the thing in the middle? Right, the paintbrush would be in the middle. Okay, now let's go to the next page. Let's look up at the top in the green. You can put the worms in order by length. The yellow worm is longer than the red worm and the blue worm. And look at the little boy is saying, the yellow worm is the longest. The red worm is shorter than the blue worm. Do you remember when we compare two things, we always use ER. If I'm comparing three or more, EST. Do you remember all those tricks? Yeah. Now the worms are in order from longest to shortest. All right. Now let's go down to the actual math problems down here. Draw lines to show which object is longest and which one is shortest. Okay, we have two words. Now we have three objects, don't we? But we only have to worry about two of them. Longest, shortest. Now do you see they all are beginning on this side and coming towards us onto the left? All right, and did they get those right? Absolutely. The pink is the longest and the purple is the shortest. Let's do number 2. Longest and shortest. Wow, this one I really have to look close. That could be a real tricky one, isn't it? Luke, what do you think for the shortest? Purple, absolutely. The purple one is the shortest. And Elijah, what do you think is the longest? You are absolutely correct. The longest is the green paintbrush. All right, now I'm going to let you do the next page. Longest and shortest, longest and shortest. And I'd like you to try number 5. The shortest crayon is orange. I need you to color it. The blue crayon is longer than the green crayon. You think you can color those in? Great. All right, let's zip to the back, and then I'm going to let you go so you can do this on your own. Number 6, Tomaz paints a line that is longer than the blue line. What color did he paint? And we're just going to use this picture. Okay, he paints a line that is longer than the blue. Do you see a line that's longer than the blue? Write the color. Number 7, compare the lengths and then write those names above the words. Do you see something? Do you see an object that's the shortest? Do you see one that's the longest? And we're going to have one right in the middle. Okay. Number 8, it's a hot question, okay? Draw 3 lines with different lengths in order from longest to shortest. Sounds pretty simple, not very hot, is it? Okay, and the last one is number 9. Which list shows the order from longest to shortest? And I need you know what? It would be really a good idea if you put an L over here by the longest and you put an S by the shortest. And that way you can look for that color first, then the middle, and your shortest will be last. Pretty easy today, isn't it? Your math lesson really shouldn't take you very long. And if you get done and you still have some time left today, please visit Happy Numbers. Wow, we have got a real contest going on. Right now, Liza's in the lead and Julian is in second place. Some of you are ready to go into the second grade module. Keep working at it. You guys are doing an awesome job. We are going to be so ready for second grade. I'm very proud of you. All right, get your math done. You've got some things in reading to do, and you have some spelling to do today, okay? I love you. I'll see you in the morning. Bye.